Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. India's longest sea bridge in Mumbai to drive investments for resort homes in Alibaug. Tourism hub Mauritius lifts maximum cyclone alert after storm Bilal wreaks havoc. Flights cancelled. Ram Temple tourism, hospitality, travel industries create up to 20,000 jobs in Ayodhya. Old cave of Vaishno Devi shrine temporarily reopened for pilgrims. Sindhia unveils 6-point plan to tackle fog-related disruptions. War rooms to be set up at airports. SpiceJet passenger who was trapped in toilet mid-air to get full refund, says airline. Online portals offering travel plans are tour operators. Appellate tribunal. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM.